Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add rows in Word table. Open your Word document to see the current table. Now, place the cursor in the table, right-click, and from the Insert option, you can add them above or below. First, click on Insert Rows above, and you will see your added row. Now, right-click again, and in Insert choose Insert Rows below so you can see the new added row. You can do this to add columns if you wish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.